bosses, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tokslaboss. Yes. So if today is your first time seeing my face, I really appreciate it if you bosses go right ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also bosses, do not forget to turn your notification button on. Bosses, join the boss squad. I want you on my team. So if you're seeing my face in my existence, make sure to do just that. Thank you bosses so much, really appreciate it. So pretty much this is a Valentine's Day unboxing with TOKS. And how are we doing it? We're doing both reviews today for these perfumes. So bosses, if you're looking for a perfume or a fragrance for your loved ones for Valentine's Day, DOSSIER got you covered. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Happy Valentine's Day to all the lovers and non-lovers out there. Okay bosses, so the first fragrance and the second fragrance I'm going to be reviewing today. So this one is actually pronounced Fruity Gnarly by DOSSIER, and I believe is inspired by Armani My Way. And this fragrance is definitely for the females out there. This perfume that I'm reviewing is actually called Floral Pear, and it's actually a unisex scent, so his and her, so you and your partner can definitely use the Floral Pear. But before I jump into it, more details on these both fragrances, I would like to just give you a little roundabout on DOSSIER and how you can get your hands on it. First of all, let's talk about the packaging. Very simple, very straight to the point. Not to mention, like I stated to you bosses, if I haven't, let me let you bosses know again. My previous video, DOSSIER perfumes are now in Walmart, so you bosses can definitely get it from there. These are how the boxes look on the inside. It's looking real Valentine-ish, but it is orange and white inside of it, so it's really cute. And what you see right there is the brochure that the fragrances come with, just to let you know what the fragrance is about and what you're going to be using, so which is really dope. I really love that. Thank you so much to Sear for these amazing gifts. I cannot wait to try them for Valentine's Day. Let's go. All right, so first thing first bosses, I feel so overwhelmed right now because I have two fragrances to review, nor do I want to rush with this. That's why normally I like to review only one fragrance at a time, because I like to take my time. I do enjoy the scents, but in this video I will be doing both because I want you bosses to know what's out there, so you can get it for your partner, your loved one, your auntie, your mommy, your uncle, or whoever that is special on Valentine's Day in your life. Okay bosses, so yeah, the Fruity Gnarly is inspired by Giorgio Armani My Way, so that's what it is. And like I told you bosses, this fragrance is actually, this is all about the females. Okay bosses, so if you have a mom, sister, auntie in your life for Valentine's Day, if you're thinking about getting them a really great scent, definitely think about Fruity Gnarly, inspired by Giorgio Armani My Way. Ooh, I'm not gonna smell that yet because yeah, pretty much. So once again, what I want you bosses to know about DOSSIER also is that DOSSIER offers some points. So every time you shop on dossier.com, you accumulate more points, and then you can come back again and use all your points that you have accumulated. So definitely check out the website, and also definitely check out Walmart in stores or online. You're definitely going to find DOSSIER perfume and scents. They are going worldwide bosses, and it's amazing to see. Okay, so the next fragrance that I'm reviewing today in this video is actually called Floral Pear. It is inspired by Joe Malone unisex scent, so both a woman and a male can wear this scent, so which is really amazing. Concentration is 18%, which is really good. So yeah, let me take this bottle out. Fruity Gnarly and also Floral Pear, which is so amazing. Oh, I cannot wait to try or smell both scents on screen for you bosses to see. I'm so excited, and I'm more so excited to just see how they both smell. I have not tried neither these ones before, so this would definitely be my first time, and I just can't wait to let you bosses know how it smells. For real. Everything you need to know is on the card, on the brochure. So when you purchase DOSSIER perfume or scent, bosses, they're going to let you know how to return and how to get your money back if you do not like none of the scent that you kind of sort of ordered. Okay bosses, the best part about DOSSIER though, if you order on DOSSIER website prior or whenever time, they always send you a sample size plus the 50 ml bottle. So what you want to do is smell the sample size, get a feel of it. If you do love it, then you get to keep your 50 ml bottle, but if you don't, you can keep the sample and sent back the 50 ml bottle, okay bosses, which is really amazing. What I find myself really loving about DOSSIER is pretty much the magnetic cap. I always state this in my video, I cannot jazz this up even more bosses. I'm telling you bosses, when this scent goes in my bag, I do not lose it. I do not lose my cap. My cap is always on. I can always find it because it's always there. But you notice though, when you take any other perfumes and put it in your bag, the top get missing. Is it me or am I exaggerating? Let me know in the comments down below. Why break the bank when you can save? Okay, so if this fruity gnarly is inspired by Giorgio Armani, the retail price for that is actually $98. Why break the bank when you can get this scent for $29 for your loved ones? Save some money and invest it. Okay bosses, that's pretty cool. Definitely get that. Bosses, the Floral Pear fragrance right here is vegan, cruelty free, clean ingredients. Who doesn't love that? Also clean, smells so refreshing, it smells so amazing. So this one is inspired by Joe Malano's English Pear, and it's actually the retail price is actually $100, and DOSSIER's price on the website right now if it's $29. Why break the bank when you can get the same smell, same consistency? I'm not kidding. Same consistency for a decent price for Valentine's Day or whenever. Go ahead and get the card out. I'm gonna do like I always stated what they do in Macy's. I'm gonna spray it and let it marinate in the air, and then I'm gonna smell it. And this scent is actually, the Fruity Nolly is actually just for females. So any female out there that just always loved Giorgio Armani and you always wanted to try this scent, this is your call. You can definitely go on DOSSIER.com. And not to forget, Walmart also carry DOSSIER fragrances. So definitely check out Walmart online or in store. Walmart is everywhere, girl. So you won't be missing out. So this could be your last minute gift idea. Run to Walmart right now and get this scent. Let me stop wasting time. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I'm about to faint up in here. Oh, this smells so good. Definitely rocking this for Valentines. It smells so good. Oh, this scent is remarkable. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, this scent is everything. Oh, definitely this. This is giving me, it's giving me life. This scent is giving me life. It's giving me yes. It's giving me, ooh, it's giving me rich auntie, rich. Definitely recommend you ladies out there trying this scent, the Fruity Gnarly. Definitely, I don't know how Giorgio Armani scent smell. I don't even know how the My Way smell because I've never tried it before. But bosses, it's giving what it's supposed to give. So if you're a guy watching this video, you might want to get this for your wife, for your auntie, for your sister, for your cousin, or whoever there's a lady in your life that you love and cherish and admire. Definitely get the Fruity Gnarly. It smells amazing. I love it. Okay, I don't want to rush that because normally I would talk all these crazy smack on the fragrance, but I have to move on now. So we're gonna move on to Fruity Pear, and like I told you bosses, this scent is inspired by Joe Milano English Pear, and I just cannot wait to smell it because what this scent is saying that it's unisex, so both men and women can use this perfume scent. So I just can't wait to share it with you bosses to see how it actually smells. So yeah, let me see. Let's see. Finger crossed. Hopefully this smells really good. Okay. It does not smell to me to be like a feminine fragrance. It smell, that thing just touched my nose. It smelled more like on the manly side, even though it's unisex. I'm not gonna lie, some women might appreciate this scent, but I don't know. Giorgio Armani My Way is definitely winning for me right now, and for this I could definitely give it to a guy. Okay, it smells really good. I don't know, maybe some women, like I stated, I do love some men colognes or fragrance, but this one is giving real strong and it's giving real manly. So I definitely will give this to a guy if it was in my opinion. I definitely think if you're a guy right now watching this video, definitely get the Fruity Gnarly inspired by Giorgio Armani My Way for a female. And then definitely get this if you're a female watching this video today. Definitely get the Floral Pear for your loved one if it's a guy, or uncle, or your dad, whoever it is, for this Valentine's Day. Definitely get this one. I'm definitely not on the raster to a unisex. It does smell amazing, but it just giving me more manly scent than female. Okay, even though it is unisex, I might be wrong. Some female might appreciate this scent right here, the Floral Pear, but for me, I appreciate it for a guy, but I do not appreciate it for a female. If you're a female, definitely check out the Fruity Gnarly inspired by Giorgio Armani My Way. Okay, both retail price are off the hook, so you do not want to get those ones. Definitely get ones from either Walmart, because the Sear is in Walmart now. Did I tell you that already? I believe I did. But yeah, they're in Walmart, so definitely get it from there. And also, yeah, bosses, this scent is remarkable. Smells amazing. I love the way it smells. It's giving me life. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Both scents are really uniquely amazing. I really love it. So yeah, I don't know what to say, bosses, but to all the lovers out there, I just want you to know, I just put you on game. Okay, thank me later. Perfume drop. Boom. Okay, I literally just put you bosses on game. So definitely check out DOSSIER. What are you waiting for? Head over to your local Walmart, head over online to Walmart, or head over to dossier.com to get the fragrance. You're definitely been put on for Valentine's Day. This is a last minute gift idea for you bosses out there. If you're looking for that perfect scent, definitely this. Sweet music to my ears. But yeah, bosses, that's pretty much it. I hope you bosses took a thing or two out of this review. I hope this is very informative for you. If you did not get something out of this video that you were looking for, bosses, do comment down below. I'm always free to answer your questions. Okay, boss, I hope you enjoyed this video, because I truly did. I truly did. I enjoyed it. Yeah, what else can I say? It's DOSSIER. Okay, so bosses, happy Valentine's Day, and I hope you're in love. If you're not, it's quite all right. Get yourself a scent and feel just fine. Okay, bosses. Anywho, enough for the chitter chatting. So yeah, bosses, thank you bosses so much, so much for checking out my YouTube channel today. Really appreciate each and every one of you. To my new subscriber, truly appreciate you bosses. Keep signing on to the boss squad. Oh, that made me so happy. Thank you bosses so much. God bless. See you in my next one. Bye bye.